Hello everyone, welcome to my video. If my video is suggested on your browser's features thanks to my SEO skill, that's the reason you're getting suggestions and features on your browsers to watch my video, and I highly appreciate if you're watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow. That will help me and motivate me to make more insightful video that will not let you do more mistakes that I did. So you can see this is my website, and its performance is really bad as a SEO expert is not expected. And why I'm facing this, because I was busy with many works with my other clients. I wasn't able to get time to fix my own, but I already fixed this. I mean, my page index, there are lots of issues. And if you go in my website, it's quite simple. There's a $25 monthly plan platforms, which might gonna cost you $97 to others, and $1,500 up and running business one-time price. And if you buy for annual, you get 2 months free extra, so that's a lot. So what is benefit with $1,500 setup fees? You're buying entire package. You maybe need right now websites. We will build the websites. Couple of months later, you want email marketing setups, automation, per businesses. So if you have 3 businesses, you need to pay $1,500 each for each businesses. So that's the simple website. If you go there and buy the plans, you might gonna see many testimonials, real testimonials and reviews that I made over like $104,000 jobs in my entire 8 years career. And that's it. I mean, I'm going to tell you why I'm facing these so you don't face. So I previously used scale.gg, which is known as a group funnel or group CMs, and I switched into another platform. So if you want to buy scale.gg, and link is on the descriptions, and if you buy the GohighLevels, right now I'm using GohighLevels. You can see this website is on GohighLevels right now, and it's highly SEO optimized gonna be. So you might be thinking, in this now AI world, AI, artificial intelligence optimization world, where you can optimize and get organic traffics, you have shorts, reels, it's easy to make so many traffics. Why we shouldn't care about SEO? You might gonna get a huge impressions by doing all this stuffs, but if you want sales, you need SEO. Okay, so that's the very important stuff. So you have to have an SEO to get some clicks, appointments. Like right now, they're running with the same kind of issues. So if they come back to me and take the SEO service, it might gonna bring back this kind of clicks, appointment, sales. So this is 6-figure business I made from scratch, from website buildings to SEO optimizations, all this stuff. Okay, and also even I gave him guidance how to make an appointment with the clients, how to talk, where to do the local SEO. I did that inter parts. So without any cold callings, appointment settings, this HVAC company is ranking number 1 in his specific state for specific services. Also, he is getting every single day like mad call receivings, inbound calls from clients, homeowners to take HVAC services. So if you're from United States, Canada, Australia, looking for this kind of service from me, you can hire me. I'm not like a beginner SEO experts who will be happy with a $6 hourly or something like $50 SEO services. I'm highly experienced 8 years experienced guy who will make things right that you are looking for. And if you are not able to pay that affordabilities in well works, then I'm not a perfect guy for you. Okay, sorry for that. You might gonna see many people might gonna say, yeah, I'm gonna make an SEO for $150. That's not gonna work. Okay, you come to me end of the day for removing removing spammy issues. So many issues people face I done in my entire life, in my entire careers. So when you switch in platforms, I switch my platforms from Group CMs to GohighLevels, and now I see my 130 pages are having issues. And I'm the first guy on earth who made 75 over pages websites on Group CM. And when I switch into GohighLevels, right now I see 404 issues, server error issues, so many issues which are already fixed and started to validations. Okay, and I also work on the removables, sitemaps, robo.txt, canonical tags, so many things, staffing, keyword URLs, spammy backlinks, removing everything. And this is the single parts among all this work. So whether you're using ChatGPT or anything that need to be fixed, you need SEO experts for fixing your website, for switching from one platforms to another platforms, or changing your entire design, changing entire stuff to look better. Okay, there are many people who is misleading white lies that you can generate entire websites from using AI and embed on your websites with no skills. That's not going to give you organic traffic. Okay, that's not going to give you artificial intelligence optimizations. You're just embedding a website to look like. But what about that frameworks already have double division, double doc type HTML, double iframes, so many things, issues you will face. Your website can be blacklisted. You need to hire somebody who will charge you like over like $2,000, $5,000 for SEO services. More bigger issues, more mess you do, more high pay services you need to face. And later on, your website is not working, you are broke, and you will end up like a homeless. So that's the scary parts that I not want you to face. I know many people just by hearing this get terrified and fears and stop quitting the job and business. And sorry for that, but that's the reality of business. You have to take a risk. You have to have a strong mindset. Otherwise, you are not ideal person to start your business. So if you think you have anxiety issues, like this business owners, these have a huge anxiety issues that time. Now his mind is 10 times strong. He is more mindset. He is understanding that what he did is his past life is not the right thing. Now he's doing the right thing. So if you have anxiety issues, you have a mental issues, but you're well understanding, you need somebody who can support you, help with you, work with you, like grow your business, make it digital, whatever the business niche is, in local business or small business, enterprise. You have already GohighLevel website. You need auditors who will guide them. My staff is working exactly that it should be, or they're doing something white lies, misleading, just taking my money. So all these things, you need an ethical, expert people. You can hire me, and if you find somebody that's really great, you can hire me. I can do this for you. You can pay hourly. You can pay contractually, you can hire full times. I'm happy to start working with anybody, and even I can manage over like 10 businesses at a time. We have over like 20 team list in my 20 plus people in my networks, and their contract consent with me to work with anybody safely, and I'm authorized and registered under government's freelancers. So if anything you're thinking about, I don't know him, it's not trustworthy, okay, then you can trust me. I mean, if I do anything wrong, you can talk with my government, and yeah, that's it. So there is nothing like this, highly professional, and this kind of registrations don't need to be highly professional freelancer, otherwise you will not able to be a registered and listed as a freelancer on my country as a government authorizations. Okay, so that's all, and have a great day. Happy to work with you, and you can visit my websites, call me or mail me, or you can go my freelancing websites, or you can go to Automation Partners AI LLC, book an appointment. You will see me over there with my CEO and I'm a chief operating officer over there. And this is for very complex, high-end level work for enterprise small businesses that really need to get something high-end work in the United States. This business is perfect for you. Okay, so have a great day and stay safe. Happy to work with you guys, and yeah, enjoy your holidays.